God says, finally, brethren, whatsoever things are true, whatsoever things are honest, whatsoever things are just, whatsoever things are pure, whatsoever things are lovely, whatsoever things are of good report, if there be any virtue, and if there be any praise, think on these things. In other words, you fill your mind with the goodness of God. Leave no space for the devil in your mind and in your life, and watch God strengthen you. Hallelujah. Here's what the psalmist said in the 101st Psalm, third verse. He says, I will set no wicked thing before mine eyes. In other words, I'm not going to give that devil any space in my life. I will set no, not some, or I'll reduce. No. I will set no wicked thing before mine eyes.